what you leave behind. That's the only thing anyone's ever going to know about you.
Then you should be proud.
For what? Wooden hotels, rolling carts, salt water from the spigots. One bad storm washed it all away.
You put everything in place. You made everyone pay. If there's a problem, that problem gets solved. I admire you for that.
Always an eager little boy.
I'm not a boy anymore.
Married?
Yes?
Children?
Soon, God willing.
They get in the way.
I see it differently.
See it how you like. In the end, we do what we have the nerve for, or we disappear.
Haven't I shown you that?
You ran an errand.
You said it was a personal matter, and I kept it quiet.